This is exactly what we predicted on GU. So I told you guys that GU will be giving us a very strong movement to the upside, and GU eventually gave us that. We were predicting a bullish move for GU, right? Last 2 days ago, and yesterday, we predicted that today, though GBPUSD will give us a bullish move, and it eventually did that. Give us a bullish move that we were anticipating for. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, do the best thing now to click on that subscribe button so you would not miss out on any other updates. More updates on GBPUSD will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on that next update, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and notification. Now let's take a look at this GBP. So you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. This is very clear that market is trending up, right? Which is on our 4-hour time frame. You know, I've literally explained all this to you guys. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it so you understand the movement further. Now this is the high, which is, we had a series of higher high and higher low. Then here comes the pullback, which decided to range within this level. Then here comes the higher high, and here comes the pullback, right? If you take a look at this also, we had a higher high. You can see that this high took out this previous high here, right? Then here comes the higher low, which is the pullback higher low. Then our higher high, here comes the pullback, which is our higher low. So basically, in London section, we can now start looking for a new high setup that will push up to form new higher high. So the pullback has been made. We need to be very sure if it is over, and we will only confirm if this pullback is over in our London section. So basically, we are not yet in the London section, but once the London section opens, then we can now confirm. We can now wait to confirm if the pullback is over. If we can confirm that the pullback is over, our next movement on GBPUSD will be a high that should push up to take out this previous high. So, swing traders, if you into your position for the next 2 to 3 weeks, you can hop in on the buy with your position. If you are a day trader, it will be best you wait for your London session and only look for your buy setup. Then you will be expecting market to push further up till it form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So we are still anticipating for a bullish move in GBP USD.